am extremely honored to represent these amazing NJROTC students. It is amazing what these students are doing in Anne Arundel County and Annapolis High School.
And having a leader like Governor Moore here today to show his commitment to the students who have committed themselves to the future of this country and to the dedication and the self-sacrifice that takes means a lot. And I can't think of a better way to memorialize 9/11.
No better way to start a morning, right?
Yes, sir.
No better way to start a morning.
Yes, sir.
I'm super proud of each and every one of you. You're choosing to do the hard work. You're choosing to do the difficult. You're choosing to do the thing that most people won't do. And especially on a day like today, because this was a day that it wasn't just about what happened on 9/11. It was the response. It was the fact that we unified. It was the fact that when we get knocked down, we know how to get back up, but we get back up together. It's a reflection of what's going to be necessary for us to be able to look in darkness and say we can be the light. Because the darkest days will not define us. It's how we respond to the darkest days. That's what makes you legends. Annapolis on 3. 1, 2, 3. Annapolis!